Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use creatine and BCAA together. First, understand that creatine helps your muscles produce energy during high-intensity exercise, leading to increased strength and muscle growth. BCAA, on the other hand, are essential amino acids that aid in muscle protein synthesis, reducing muscle breakdown and speeding up recovery. By strategically combining these two powerful supplements, you can significantly enhance your athletic performance and achieve your fitness goals more efficiently. Let's dive into the easy method. For creatine, an effective approach often starts with a loading phase. Consume 20 grams daily for about 5 to 7 days, splitting it into 4 5-gram servings. This quickly saturates your muscle creatine stores. Following this, a maintenance dose of 3 to 5 grams per day is sufficient. You can take it any time, but many find it convenient to consume it before or after their workouts for consistency. When it comes to BCAA, a typical serving size ranges from 5 to 10 grams. The most beneficial times to take them are before, during, or immediately after your training sessions to support muscle recovery and reduce fatigue. On rest days, an extra serving between meals can further aid in muscle repair. Look for a BCAA product with a 2:1 ratio of leucine to isoleucine and valine for optimal benefits. For an easy method to combine them, simply take your 3 to 5 grams of creatine and 5 to 10 grams of BCAA together. You can mix them in the same shaker with water or your favorite drink, either before or after your workout. Consistency is key for both supplements to yield the best results. Remember to drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially when using creatine, to support its effectiveness and overall health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.